Returns happen because your customers use your return process as their fitting room. And if you don't like anything, they return the product and you bear the loss. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce a return rate by proactively answering all those pre-purchase questions on your product page. But the problem is, how do you find all those pre-purchase questions? And this is where we are going to use AI or ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to find out all those pre-purchase questions, and then I will show you how to automate it, because manually doing it for all products or SKUs is too much time consuming. For this demo purpose, I'm going to use this Gymshark Shorts product. The best way to figure out all those pre-purchase questions is to look at the reviews. But for many of the stores, there are barely any review. So those store owners, they cannot determine the pre-purchase questions as they don't have any review. So for this, I'm going to use ChatGPT. So what I did, I uploaded all the product photos here, which I simply copied from here, and I copied this URL and I pasted it here. Then I wrote this prompt. I made sure that the model is 5.2 thinking. You can use the latest model, but make sure it's thinking model, and send it. It will analyze all the images and it will answer or fabricate 5 pre-purchase questions based on the product description and product images. Now ChatGPT has replied and it has fabricated these 5 questions. What size should I get? Are these true to size? And it has written a demo answer for this also. Then this question, how slim is the fit? Will it tight around my thighs or awkward around the crotch? And you see, all those are general pre-purchase questions that buyers have in their mind. So you can do this, run this prompt for every single SKU or product on your store, and you can certainly see a lift in conversion rate and reduction in return rate, because we have done the similar thing for our store, our client basically, and the return rate was down by 21%. Now if we have around 10-20 SKUs or products, then you can do this manually. But if you have hundreds of SKUs and you constantly launch new SKUs, doing this will take a lot of time, right? Because in this prompt I specifically mentioned I just want 5 pre-purchase questions, but in your case you may want 20 plus. So you can sort or decide which one are good and which one to exclude. So this is where we can use automation, and this is a very simple automation we built for this manual process. It uses anything. It basically, from this Google sheet, we are just going to write a sitemap of the Shopify store. You can simply write it as your store name .com/sitemap.xml, and it will give you all the sitemaps. You just need to open the product sitemap. Okay, open it, and because it is you can see all the products like gift card, something, this one, let me open it, this product. So you can see all the products mentioned here. So this automation picks the product from the sitemap XML and it parses it, and at a single point in time it uses code to use this AI prompt only for 3 products. Because if you have 100 SKUs and if you push all the SKUs to OpenAI API, your workflow will break down because it's too much data to handle for OpenAI. So what it does, it just fetches the first 3 products so that it can pass them to OpenAI, and then OpenAI uses this prompt that I showed you and gives the data, and it generates a pre-purchase question and it updates all the questions to this Google Doc, which is here. So this automation runs almost free. The only cost you bear is the OpenAI API cost. And to give you an approximate idea, the cost for testing around 10 SKUs is just $0.5. So the cost is almost negligible. And you get all the pre-purchase questions here. Now you can go through them and sort out which one to include, which one to exclude. So this is a very simple automation that any store owner can use. It doesn't matter if they're technical or not. If you want us to build it for you or customize it for you, my contact ID is in my description. So this is a workflow we built for another client. So it is much more advanced than this automation. The main limitation is that in this automation, we don't process the images. But in this automation, we process the images, then we use 2 AIs to answer a generic pre-purchase question and 1 AI to validate whether AI 1 did the good thing or not, or AI 2 did the good thing or not. Okay, so it is much more advanced than this automation. And I have also provided a JSON to this automation in the description. Just click on the link in the description. Thank you guys.